guess we had that jungle fever. I was waiting for my graduation, growing impatient. What I didn't know was this grown-up world was just cool in a blown-up world. There's still gossip, there's still drama, there's still problems. There's a right and there's a wrong. There's still people that I think won't love me till I'm gone. Low-key miss the days walking around in my school hall, but now I got a bigger job. The world screaming my songs as we go on. We remember all the times we spent together. As our lives change from whatever, we will still be friends forever.
Lauren is such a bitch. I don't even understand why guys like her. She's not even cute. She's not even pretty. Have you seen how much makeup she wears? And by the way, she facetunes her pictures so much. I honestly think she bought her followers. She barely gets any likes anyway. And you want to know the craziest part about all of it? She doesn't even have any idea her boyfriend's been cheating on her this entire time.
Dude, did you hear those wings? That's crazy.
Reminds me I need to get my migratory bird stamp.